Naon, nagpunta po dito kaninang umaga. At lalo po sa mga magulang po ng dito, kasama po ang aming mga kapwa kamag-aral na magsisipag tapos ngayong taon. This speech is dedicated to our beloved parents, members of the school administration, teaching and non-teaching staff, yes, visitors, and fellow graduates. It's an honor to be given the opportunity to speak to the graduating class. Kung tatanungin niyo ako, nung grade 11 ako, I would never have imagined na makakatanggap ako ng ganitong opportunity. Sa pagkakataong ito, ipagpaunahin niyo that my public speaking skills are not entirely perfect. I am not used to speaking in front of large crowds. I am aware that I still have a lot to work on. But what I excel at is doing and being of service to other people. Academic challenges, setbacks, regrets, and problems. These are the difficulties that my fellow graduates and I had to overcome itong nakaraang 2 taon. Mahirap at very challenging. We will push to our limits. But I think we did a good job. Why? Because here we are right now, wearing our supplies, holding close our diplomas. This is an affirmation that we did something right. In addition, I want to ask this question sa aking fellow graduates. Napag-isipan niyo na ba kung ano ang susunod na gagawin niyo after senior high school? I'm also pondering and considering my course of action following this adventure. I have to keep my attention on one skill. It is to become wealthy. Wealthy both materially and personally. I want to achieve this goal, hindi lang para sa akin, kung hindi para din sa aking mga magulang, who have been consistently there for me every step of the way. I know that many other graduates also have similar aspirations. For this reason, we should never stop inspiring ourselves to reach this objective. Nais ko din kunin ang pagkakataon nito upang ipaalala sa aking mga kapamag-aaral na magsisipagtapos ang temang Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. Ay sumisimbolo na tayong kabataan ang magiging lakas at pag-asa ng ating bansa na mag-aangat sa kalidad ng ating pamumuhay. We're not just graduating today. We're about to start a whole new adventure in a world full of exciting opportunities. Kaya naalala niyo pa ba during those grade 11 awkward days when we're lost, when adjusting to a new school and new subject? It seems like a lifetime ago. Pero sumama kita ng mga late night group study sessions for a project or thesis, full day or late night practice for group presentation, and friendships forged in a crucible shared experiences with John. Also, I want to thank my classroom advisor, Ma'am Dixie, Susan Tuerno, and subject teachers who provided me with a lot of guidance from the very start up until now. They gave us hope and encouraged us to believe that we are capable of accomplishing more than we really believe. Of course, my parents, si Mama at si Papa, at ang aking mga kapatid, para sa kanilang walang sawang suporta at pag-intindi sa akin. Kayong aking lakas at inspirasyon ko sa buhay. As I wrap up my speech, I'd like to leave for my fellow graduates this particular quote to remember. The world is your oyster. Ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng the world is your oyster? Refers to the idea that you have limitless possibilities in life and can pursue any course of action or destination. I want to encourage my fellow graduates that there are countless opportunities in the world after we graduate. Throughout our 2 years in senior high school, it challenges us, help us, and develop abilities that will be valuable in the real world. Remember that we all possess it, and that we were given the chance to develop and grow. So let's make the most of it. Congratulations